Here's an easy way to convert a marker light from an incandescent to an LED. We have a 1995 Airstream motorhome, and I have been slowly switching over to LED lights. Our motorhome has a rectangular flat type of marker and clearance light. Because of the curve of the top, the lights in the front and back of the coach set at just the right angle to hold water if the small drain hole gets clogged. I found these LED marker lights that make a perfect conversion for the original lights. All you have to do is cut off the extrusion where the old bulb was. Clean up the hole, pop in the grommet and put the bulb into it. Since the LED is sealed, these should last a long time. Give it a try. It's an easy and cheap conversion.